Now that we know how parametric equations behave, we're going to go ahead and learn how to rewrite them. Rectangular to parametric, parametric to rectangular. Okay? So again, parametric equations have a parameter. So some third variable, in this case, both of them, I have t. To rewrite these as terms of rectangular, which means only x, y variables, all I have to do is eliminate t. So eliminate that parameter. So that's my goal here. So we are going to eliminate our parameter. To do that, I'm going to isolate t. In this case, it's t. In any other function, it might be a different variable. But all I have to do is isolate that t in one of my functions. So that's going to be really easy here. So if I take my x equals 2t, divide by 2, t equals x over 2. So all I have to do is replace t with this x over 2. So now y equals x over 2 squared minus 1. And that's going to end up giving me x squared over 4, because 2 squared is 4. This is the same function as this. We just don't have that parameter. And if you remember from our previous video, this is the one that we actually graphed, and it ended up giving us this parabola, which is an x squared. So, same idea here. Eliminate the parameter by isolating t and then substituting it back in. So I'm going to put this sub back in. Okay? So I'm going to take my x equals t minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So x plus 3 equals t. And now I'm going to take that x plus 3 and I'm going to replace these t's here. So y equals x plus 3 squared minus 6 times x plus 3 plus 9. Technically, at this point, you have eliminated your parameter. This is a rectangular function, but I'm going to go ahead and simplify it just because it's going to look a little bit nicer. So this is going to give me x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 6x minus 18 plus 9. So we have x squared, my 6x minus 6x, that's gone. And then my 9, so I'm left with y equals x squared. Huh, that's pretty simple. See how cool that is? Pretty nifty, right? Okay, the flip side to this is what happens if we have a rectangular equation and I want to write it as a parametric. This one's actually really easy because I can make this whatever I need it to be. Without parameters, I'm free to do what I need to do. So if I want to rewrite this as a parametric equation, I could simply say, well, x equals t, and if x equals t, then y equals the square root of t minus 3. Boom, done. I could do something different. I could say x equals t plus 4. Well, that means y equals the square root of t plus 4 minus 3, which would be t plus 1. Okay? That's all it is. You can plug in whatever you want, however you want, without guidelines saying your parameter has to follow such and such and such. You can just plug in what you need, whatever you want. So, again here, I can start real basic and just say, x equals t. So then I'm going to have y equals 3 over t plus 4. Well, let's say x equals t minus 4. So that means y equals 3 over t minus 4 plus 4. So that's just 3 over t. Yeah? Pretty straightforward? Okay, go forth, see what you can come up with.